Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a brand new method for getting unlimited coins in DramaBox. This works perfectly on both iOS and Android devices, and it's really simple to use. To show you how it works, I'm on my iPhone right now. Let me open up the app and give you a quick look. As you can see, my resources are through the roof. I have an insane amount of coins. It's almost unbelievable. If you want to learn how to get these unlimited coins too, stick around and keep watching this video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your DramaBox app is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the app. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode might slow down your device, which we really don't want right now. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for DramaBox and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.